In this video, I'm going to show you how to record with Metal TV. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Metal TV and you want to sign into your account. And then up here, top left, it says start your game to record. So to actually just record with Metal TV, you want to click over here and then you can click on switch to screen recording if you want to, of course, switch to screen recording. And before you do this, make sure you click on this gear icon and then you select your monitor you would like to screen record. So I'm going to do display 1 over here, and then after you do this, you can just go back and in here you can click on switch to screen recording, and then you want to select your display over here, and after you do this, you can simply of course start screen recording like this, and right now it is screen recording. Now if you want to stop, you can just click on stop screen recording like that, and then it's already stopped. So that's pretty much it. That's how to record with Metal TV. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.